Hi everyone, my name is Sushreeya. So I am talking about a gummy bear project about an osmosis, and that was my science project. So it's all about, an osmosis is in Gummy Bear Experiment is when the water molecules come into the membrane. It can be anything, like it can be gummy bears, like in my case, it can be like a cup divider, it can be anything. But when the water comes into the membrane, as taking that as an example in your position, it can be anything, then the thing will increase if the water can go into the membrane. If it doesn't, it shrinks. Also, it's also called decrease. That means when it shrinks, it will rumble and crumble up. So in plain water, it grew the most, but in salt water, it grew the least. It was the smallest. Plain water was the biggest. So in plain water, it was the lightest, so that one, the water could come in, and it did not shrink, and it grew more. Then, sugar water, a little bit less than that, it's a little heavier. Then, milk was a little heavier, so then that much did not grow. Then, with salt water, there was a little magic. The magic was that it decreased, and that means it will shrink and crumble up. So then my process was that when you put the gummy bears, you first have to measure them when it's plain. Then you dip them and soak them in liquids. Then you take them out and measure them every 4 hours. Every 4 hours they will increase or either shrink their height. So then I had my hypothesis. That means what you want to prove. So my proof was that the gummy bears will change their height when they're soaked in different liquids. So then my conclusion, that one was that plain water increased its height, milk increased its height, sugar water increased its height, but in salt water, it decreased its height. Then the photos tell in the glass how it grew, and then I put before and the after one. So first it shows the little one when it was plain. That's when we measured it first. Then we put them in different liquids, and that's how it turned out. So it turned out either smushy or unsmushy. That would be probably for the salt water. So in this case on the graph, when it comes to the dead end, that means it broke up. So that only happened to the plain water, and it only happened to the milk. This is all about like what happened and the date when we did it. And when that date happened, it also shows the time. It shows if it's an inch or if it's in a centimeter. So then this is all about my gummy bear experiment. It's called an osmosis once again. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed me saying about osmosis. So bye everyone. Have a good day.